Austin 911, do you need police, fire, EMS, or mental health services?
Police.
To what location?
There is a guy at the 180. There's an accident at 183 under the Cameron Road, under the bridge.
Sure. On the eastbound
and there's a guy walking around with a gun in his hand, man.
Okay. Is he white, black, Hispanic,
assault rifle.
Yes, sir.
He's
white,
Hispanic,
black?
I think. He's Hispanic, no shirt on.
Clothing? Okay.
No shirt.
One moment. Is he aiming at anyone, or is he just carrying it around?
No, he was just walking around the middle. I don't know if he was in a car. He was screaming something, and he's walking around in the middle of the intersection, like going back and forth under the bridge right there. I don't know if he's still there. I took off because I have a kid with me.
Yes, sir. What was the rifle, black?
It was black. Yeah, it looked like an AR-15.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And if you had to estimate roughly how old your call is already, and these questions won't slow anything down, and I understand your left, but if you recall what color pants or anything, if you had any tattoos?
They look like they may have been black. I'm not sure.
No problem, sir. All right. I do see that crash as well. I should be out there momentarily, sir. What's your name? Thank you, sir. I appreciate the call.
Thank you.
Anytime, sir.
Hold it here. Hold it here. You're fine. I see he's on the westbound side. I need 75 now. Please drop that gun! Drop the rifle! Drop the rifle! Out of 305, shots fired, one subject down. Please, do not move! I'm on the westbound side, just west of 290. Start being, never mind, I got everybody coming. EMS, please. Do not move! Do not. One subject down, I'm holding over him. Officer involved. I got his firearm. Hey, go gloves. I'm covering. Put him in cuffs. We're starting medical. I'm covering. Need cuffs? I need medical on him now. Get your IFAC out, please. Get him in resting. Get him in resting position, please. IFAC. I need an IFAC. Will you secure that shotgun? Hey, he's in the face.